Look at how many views this channel is getting with space-related content, and I can tell you for a fact that it's not saturated. In today's step-by-step guide, I will show you how to make short-form space content on any social media platform you like, and there's zero copyright risk. We are going to create a video completely from scratch with my own twist, so make sure to stay till the end to get the full picture. The first step is generating the script. There are two ways to do that. The first one is by using ChatGPT. I first asked it to generate me a fact about the Milky Way. Then, after I got the fact I'm going to use, I asked it to generate me a hook for this paragraph. Then, I tried to make it address the viewer, but it wasn't as I wanted. So, I gave it an example, and I got the hook I wanted. I'm only going to use the first part of it. Now let's explore the second method for obtaining the script. Begin by finding a viral video relevant to the topic of your video. I'll be using a video about the Milky Way that has 1.9 million views, which is impressive. I'll copy the URL and go to the dub transcription tool. You'll need to create an account first. Once logged in, navigate to this page. Select Video Link, paste the URL, and then click Transcribe. Then click on Confirm. Now to avoid any copyright issues, copy the text and go ask ChatGPT to reword it for you. Step 2 is getting the BRoll. We'll utilize Leonardo AI for this. Begin by visiting this URL. If you're watching this video in the future, where this feature is available, feel free to use it. But now, we'll use still images. Access the image generation section. I've already attempted to generate some pictures here. Next, click on Prompt Generation and input a simple idea such as space. Click on Ideate and you'll receive different prompts to choose from. Pick one and click Generate. Make sure your settings are adjusted for a short format picture. This is not what I'm looking for. I will try different prompts. Click here to download the pictures. I'll fast forward through the rest. These are the results I got. Make sure to divide your video into different scenes so you know what images to generate. In this step, we'll use the dub text-to-speech feature. It's one of the best out there. Start by going to the dub website again. Then go to Products, and within that section, choose Text-to-Speech. Proceed by clicking Start for Free. Once on this page, click on More Voiceovers to select the voice you like. You can sample them by clicking Sample Voices. I highly recommend using the Jeremy voice for this type of videos. Select it and click Confirm. Then, paste your script in here. Click this icon to preview the voice.
Here are the top 5 things about Milky Way that you didn't know. 1. The Milky Way galaxy was born about 12 billion years ago and has been growing ever since.
When ready, click Export. Choose MP3 format and then click Export again. Finally, click Generate and Export. Let's listen to the complete voiceover now.
Here are the top 5 things about Milky Way that you didn't know. 1. The Milky Way galaxy was born about 12 billion years ago and has been growing ever since. 2. According to scientists, about 7 new stars are born in the galaxy every single year. 3. The distance of the solar system from the galactic center is about 27,000 light years.
You get the point. Now let's move to the next step. Now let's get everything together using the dub video editor. Go to Products again and select Video Editing. After that, click on Start for Free. After getting into this page right here, click on Upload and choose the files we generated earlier. I also downloaded some free space videos from Pexels to use alongside the pictures. After importing everything, drag and drop the voiceover first into the timeline. Then zoom a little so we can work comfortably. Next, I'm going to start with this picture as my opening. Change the format to 9:16. After that, resize it to fit the entire screen. Now, I'm going to add the second picture and resize it as well. Next, I'm going to use this Milky Way video. I'll zoom it so it fits the short format. Then, I'm going to add these two pictures and resize them again. I'll fast forward the rest. Now that we have everything set, let's add some transitions. To do that, click on Transitions. After that, go to 2D, then scroll down until you find some interesting transitions. I recommend using these transitions. I'll start with a film burn transition. Then I'll add a left transition. After that, I'll add different transitions to make the video look cool. Let's see how the video looks so far.
Here are the top 5 things about Milky Way that you didn't know. 1. The Milky Way galaxy was born about 12 billion years ago and has been growing ever since. 2. According to scientists, about 7 new stars are born in the galaxy every single year. 3. The distance of the solar system from the galactic center is about 27,000 light-years. 4. The Milky Way travels through space at a speed of about 300 miles per second. With regard to the cosmic microwave background radiation. 5. The galaxy's central core has a supermassive black hole, which contains the mass of roughly 4 million suns.
Now, you can also add some effects by clicking here, but I don't really need any effects for this video. Let's add captions now. Go to Text, then click on AI Subtitles. After that, select a language, then click on Convert. Go ahead and change the caption settings and center them in the middle. It's very easy, so I'm going to fast forward it. After your video is ready, click on Export and use these default settings. Then click on Export again. That was it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and check DupDub in the pinned comment down below. Watch this video if interested.